everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I've got another brand new seasoning blend for you. We're going to be making this delicious Cuban inspired mojo style seasoning rub, and this is going to take you through the whole summer. It's going to be perfect for all the meats that you're going to want to grill: chicken, pork, beef, fish, even great on roasted or grilled veggies. It's going to be awesome. It's got all the flavors of a mojo marinade, and this is inspired by my dear friend Liza, whom I lost last year, and I miss her so much. So let's go see how this all comes together. We're going to make a mojo style, like a Cuban mojo style seasoning rub, and this is inspired by Cubano sandwiches, mojo pork, and my friend Liza, God rest her soul, who I lost last year. She was of Cuban descent, and she shared so many things with me before she went that I really have been wanting to do some Cuban inspired recipes in her honor. And this is a dry rub seasoning blend that you're going to be able to use all summer long on your grilled meats: pork, chicken, fish, beef, you name it. It's going to be great on grilled vegetables, and it has all the flavors of a mojo marinade. You're also going to be able to use this to make a marinade with by adding it to orange juice, white wine vinegar, and olive or vegetable oil. So this is what I've come up with, and these are all of the flavors that would be in a traditional mojo marinade. We're going to start off, and I apologize for the pointer, but my hands got into an argument with my printer, and I would rather not have you subjected to that. So a quarter of a cup of kosher salt, a quarter of a cup of granulated garlic, a quarter of a cup of granulated onion, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of dried cilantro, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 2 tablespoons of cracked black pepper, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, and here's where it gets mojo, baby. These are dried citrus crystals, also known under the brand name of True Lemon, Lime, and Orange. I will leave a link down below where you can find these online. You can often find all 3 of these in your grocery store in little packets. I only am able to get the orange, so there's 2 tablespoons of orange crystals here, and that means 24 packets it took for 2 tablespoons. And then the lemon and the lime I had in bulk, so it's a tablespoon each of lemon and lime powder. Alternatively, you could use orangeade, lemonade, and limeade powder if you had those available to you, but they are going to have sugar in them, so keep that in mind. That's not going to give you a ton of sugar, but it is going to make your seasoning blend sweet. I have laid all of my spices out here on the parchment, and I'm just going to kind of get them to a point where I can fold this up in half. And I have my pint jar, and I calculated it so that it will fit in this pint jar. So it really should fit just fine. How good am I? Okay, you're going to want to put a tight fitting lid on this and just give it a good shake for a good while so that it gets nice and incorporated. Everything gets well distributed in there. You know, this is what we do with all of our seasoning blends. This is the easiest way to do it. Just perfect. Look at that. It looks great. I can't wait to smell it. Oh, that smells like mojo. It really smells like mojo. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. That's how you make my Cuban style mojo seasoning rub. I hope that you love it. Simple to make. You probably have all of these ingredients on your pantry shelf right now in your spice rack. If you don't have the lemon, orange, and lime crystals, I gave you an alternative, or you can seek out those crystals. I'll leave a link down below to where you can find them. They're not very expensive at all. They're very affordable. And you can use them in so many things. They're really great to have on hand. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you're new to my kitchen, welcome. It is always a pleasure to welcome new folks into my kitchen every day. Please be sure and hit the subscribe button. And as always, if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit that bell notification button so that you will get either an email or a push notification on your smartphone every time I upload a new video. Because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you will give this Cuban style mojo seasoning rub a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.